So you got to start off the day with a cup of tea, and then I had another cup of tea with 3 oranges, and then I was going out, so I had a little snack. For lunch that day, I had some leftover soup. This was just some like potato and tomato soup. And then I had like a big plate of broccoli, some chopped tomatoes, which I didn't actually finish. Had another cup of tea, or actually 2. And then for dinner that day, I had some OUMPH vegan fajitas. Don't know how to pronounce that. Yeah, but I basically had some of that, and then I had some of the mixture outside too. Then obviously I had to have another cup of tea. This is the next day. Then for breakfast, I had some healthy crumpets with fruit. I love this. This day, I was so productive. Like, I filmed 2 videos and uploaded them on the same day. So, yeah. Had another cup of tea. And then for lunch, I made some healthy Moroccan couscous with some chickpeas. I've never had chickpeas before. And these were, like, amazing. So I had some, like, half a pita with that as well. And loads of veg. Also had a cup of tea. For dinner, I had some spaghetti with some healthy homemade tomato sauce. I also had a sprinkle of low-fat mature cheddar cheese. And also, I had a bowl of peas and sweet corn.